Hello, grade 10. Good morning. Today, we will discuss third quarter arts and basically lapit ng aton nga exam. And damo sang time naton nga wala kita sang klase. So today, we will have our online discussion with our third quarter arts 10. So for our third quarter sa arts, we will discuss media-based art in the Philippines. So as a background, when we say media-based art in the Philippines, these are arts that uses media or using an application or device to make an art. As we go back sa aton nga second quarter, we use application how to edit ang mga pictures. So today, hindi lang mga picture ang aton i-discuss, but in third quarter, there are a lot or different media-based art nga makita naton sa Philippines. So, before we proceed to our lesson number 1, let's have first this activity. Alright, so for activity, identify the media-based art by choosing the letter. Letter A, photography. Letter B, film. Letter C, animation. So if you have your notes there, notebook or extra paper and pencil, please read the question silently and try to answer. Okay, ang imo lang choices, kung answer mo photography, letter A. Kung answer mo film, letter B. And if your answer is letter C, it means animation. Are you ready? Alright, let's start for our question number 1. Alright, is it photography, film, or animation? So I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Alright, the correct answer is film. Very good. Number 2. Is it photography, film, or animation? I'll give you still 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is, of course, it is photography. Very good. Next, number 3. Photography. Is it film or is it animation? Okay. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is animation. Very good. Number 4. Okay, we have here kita-kita, photography, film, or animation. And the correct answer is, let's find out, and it is film. Very good. And number 5, we have here Eiffel Tower in France, photography, film, or animation. And the correct answer is, of course, we have photography. Wow, who got the correct answer? Who got 5 points? All right, very good. It seems that you already have an idea about our lesson this morning. So before we proceed, let's have this another game called Game Kanaba. Okay, so it is a sentence and try to answer still a multiple choice. Okay, for a question number 1. These are the 2 typical characteristic of photography: immediacy and detail, eminence and feature, nearness and part, proximity and aspect. Okay, the correct answer is letter A, immediacy and detail. So by the way, class, if you got this information, please take down notes kay maybe wala ni siya sa aton i-discuss, but base magwa sa aton nga exam next week. Okay, so 2 characteristic of photography: immediacy and detail. Okay, number 2. It is the science, art, and practice of creating durable images by recording light or other electromagnetic radiation, either electronically by means of an image sensor or chemically by means of light sensitive materials such as photographic film. Is it cinema, photos, film, or photography? Okay, the correct answer is letter Very good. We have letter letter D, photography. Next one, number 3. It is a series of moving images shown on a screen, usually with sound, that make up story. Film, mass media, theater, or video. The correct answer, the correct answer is letter A. It is film. Okay, a moving images with a sound. Number 4 is a film that dramatizes the life of a non-fictional or historical based person or people. Science fiction, horror, biographical, or musical. 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is we have letter, of course, it is letter C, biographical, because the word non-fiction, it means real life. Okay, it is not a made up story. Okay, but it is based on a real life scenario of a person or a people. Okay, next one, we have number 5, special effects movies featuring live actors. Okay, there are live actors in the movie, animated characters, or live actors and animated characters together. Okay, nasugpon sila na may ara animated kag may ara sang tawo. So ano na siya? Pag isugpon ang duwa, ano na sa klase movie? Is it epic, science fiction? Okay, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer, we have, of course, science fiction. So later, i-discuss natin kung anong butsilingon sang science fiction, mga ano ni sila tawag. Alright, so as we proceed to our lesson number 1, so of course, part of our media-based art in the Philippines, we have 5. Okay, so number 1, we have photography. Number 2, film. Number 3, animation. Number 4, print and digital media. And number 5, we have industrial art. So 5 class. But today, we have only 3 lang I discuss: photography, film, and animation. And ang 4, I want you to basa sa inyong module, and of course kamo na lang tuon tanan naman nga information ara sa inyong module nga gin-send ko sa inyo. But ang aring tatlo i-discuss ko siya para at least hindi budlay sa inyo maintindihan kung anong aton nga lesson. And of course, today we will start our lesson with our lesson number 1. We will talk about photography. Alright, media-based art and design photography, lesson number 1. I believe you are have an experience in making photograph. Okay, kay may mga cellphone kamo, may mga kamera kamo, hilig kamo mag-picture-picture sa inyong kaugalingon, i-send sa inyong nga crush ang inyong nga picture, i-send sa inyong nga family ang inyong nga picture, and wala kamo kabalo, that is already an art, and that art called photography. Okay, so what is photography? Okay, so as we have here, photography, it is a recording or a method of recording an image of an object through the action of light. It means, ang photography class, kung makita nyo gani kung mag-picture that may ara gid sang shutter or may flash ang iyang lens, nga kay ang photography naghalin siya sa action of light. Alright? So, hindi kita kakuha sang image, hindi kita kakuha sang isa ka picture kung wala sang light. That's why ang photography, the most important element sa photography ang ginatawag nga light. Okay? So, kung nag-capture ka cellphone, so as a process, anong ginatawag nga photography? Here. So, focusing a camera at a subject and clicking the shutter is photography as process. So ano ko ng photography as process? For example, I have here cellphone, okay? I have here cellphone. So paano naton masiling nga photography na? Number 1, you have a device. Is it it could be a camera or a digital camera. For example, I have here camera. So now ang camera amo ni sang gamito naton kag ang camera iano naton i-focus. Ang baladi focusing a camera to a subject. For example, may subject is my laptop. So i-focus ko nga akong camera sa akong laptop then I will click the shutter. So ang iban ang shutter nila are. Okay, aring shutter nila. So kung makita naton ang ginatumukan sa aton nga cellphone. So this is the shutter. Ara shutter na siya. Pero sa digital kis ang shutter ara sa babaw. Ang iban mag-selfie ang ginagamit nga shutter is ang volume down or volume up. So now pag nag-focus mo mo kamera sa isa ka subject kag gintumok mong shutter, ginatawag na sa nga photography. Okay, do you understand? Now, kay gintuon ko siya sa isa ka object, then gin-click ko ang shutter, photography na tawag. Now, ako ang nga nag-click, ano tawag sa akon? Of course, tawag sa akon, photographer. Okay? Ang akon nga ginaubra, tawag photography, pero ang akon, tawag sa akon as a person is photographer. Okay? So, the word, okay, photography derived from a Greek word, two Greek word. First Greek word, photos, which means light. Okay? And second Greek word, graphein, which means to draw. Okay? And photography was first used, okay, in the 1830s. Okay? Nag-start sa 1830s. Tandaan na natin. Okay. Ang Greek word yun nagarin sa photos and graphein because we need, in photography, we need light. So, once may light na, kapag click mo sang shutter, ginadraw ya ang image. Okay, so that's it. That's why tawag siya photography. Okay, next one. Are, photographer as artist. So, sa na-discuss ko na kagina, tawag sa akon, photographer. Okay, ako ni ang naga-express sang akon nga emotion, depende sa akon kung ano ang gusto ko nga picturean nga image, depende sa akon eye of the composition, viewers finder. So basta tawag sa person nga naga-ubra sang art nga photography, photographer ang tawag sa iya. So photography as communication is also considered one of the most powerful means of communication. The power come from a two distinctive characteristic. So, muna kagina sa test naton, two distinctive characteristic of photography. Please take down notes. What are these? Immediacy and detail. So, dapat sa photography makita da kung sino lang ang focus kag ano ang details sang aton nga mga picture. So, that is photography, way of communication. Alright, let's proceed. What are some of the popular objects that contemporary Filipino digital photographies capture? Ano ang usually gina-capture or ang subject sang ginatawag nga photography? Anong usually diri sa Philippines, sa aton kultura? Ano ang usually nga gina-capture, okay, nga subject? So we have here, number one, we have self-expression. Okay, ano ni sang self-expression? So it means self-expression, imo kaugalingon ang imo nga gina-picturean. Okay? So it means depende sa imo kung ano type mo. Okay? Self-expression. For example, if you are a kind of photographer nga hilig ka sa nature, so ano imo subject? Of course, nature. Okay? Kung ikaw naman nga photographer, hilig ka magpicture sang moon. Okay? So ano imo subject? Ang moon. Miyara naman photographer, hilig sila mang picture mga tao. So ano ila subject? Tao. So self-expression. It means ang image or ang subject naga-differ. Naga-differ sa ano? Nagadepende sa kung ano ang gusto sang photographer. Okay? Kung ano ang type sang photographer, kung ano ang interest sang photographer. Wala siya nagabase sang interest sang iban, kundi depende sa iya kaugalingon. That's why tawag self-expression. Okay? Depende sa iya nga gusto kung ano. Kung gusto niya picturean niya kaugalingon kay feeling niya gwapa siya, so picturean niya. Kung feeling niya gwapo siya, picturean niya kaugalingon kag send niya kay crush. Okay, para si crush siya maluyag man sa iya. No? So self-expression depende sa inyong nga type, depende sa inyong nga gusto. That is the first subject sang photography. Okay, do you understand? I believe nga may mga sari-sari man ka mga gusto, so subong pa lang pamisara nyo, ano ba lang hilig ko picturean? Is it flowers, classrooms, building, persons, or moon, sun, or planet? Ano ba lang hilig ko picturean? Mga puno, nature, water. So, depende na sa imo. May sari-sari self-expression. And number two, we have documentation. No? Ano ang documentation? Documentation, the clue word here is a proof. A picture is a proof of the value we give to our lives. It means, napyaran ninyo, nga kung may birthday, hindi pwede nga wala picture, di ba? Nga kay it is a proof. Okay? A proof of what we value in our life. Nga kung may birthday, kabalo ka, importante ni siyang event, dapat picturean ta sa documentation. What else? Kung may kasal, hindi pwede nga hindi kaya magpicture kung may kasal. 'Di ba kung makita naton sa Facebook pag may ginkasal ga picture gid, ga-upload gid sila sang mga picture nga kay gusto nila kung malipas ang panahon, i-remind sila ni Facebook ay sa amo ni gali nga adlaw nagpakasal ta. So, paano sila i-remind kung wala picture? So it means photography, we can use it as documentation, a proof. Okay? It is a proof that whatever we value in our life. So that is documentation. Okay? Next one, third, we have here, okay, number 3, we have communication. So ang photography, hindi lang ni sa gali express mo lang imong self. What I mean, ang expressing of ourself, somebody or some of us is expressing their self through singing. Somebody what we call this, ang iban gina-express nila self sa singing, sa dancing, sa arts. No, kung hindi sila kabalubi maghambal, kung nahuya sila maghambal, gina-express nila ang ilang emotion, ang ilang kaugalingon, ang gusto nila magwa sila nga baba, i-express nila pamaagi sa mga different kind of action. And you know what, class? Photography could be a one way nga para ma-express man naton ang aton nga self. Nga, according here, a picture is said to be worth 1,000 words. Why? Because kung mag-send ka picture or mag-post ka picture, damo na dayon interpretation. Kung napyaran ninyo, pagka-post nyo picture, may ara reaction, different reaction. May ma-react like lang. Kaya muna iya pag-interpret ya, like lang. May iban ma-react love. Kaya nanamian gid sa sang picture. May iban nga i-react ya angry. Nga kay siya nalawayan sang picture. It means sa isa lang ka photograph, sa isa lang ka picture, sa photo, isa lang ka photo, there are worth 1,000 words nga pwede mo ma-describe sa ina nga picture. That's why, class, hindi kita magkatingala kung may mga classmate kita nga hilig mag-picture kag mag-post, kag mag-my day, mag-stories, nga kay maybe some of them hindi kabalo mag-express ang ilang kaugalingon through verbal, through words, pero through picture, ma-express nilang ilang kaugalingon. So that's why it can speak to. It means picture can speak to, elicit an emotion from viewers like sound, words, and symbol. We can communicate what we think and feel through picture. Pamagi sa picture, mahambal naton kung ano ato nabatyagan, kag ano ang ara sa aton paminsaron. Pero naghambal ka, wala san o mo gin-deliver ang imo communication sa pamagi sa picture. So it means photography can be used also as communication. Okay? And we have today photography's higher image resolution help photographers to communicate the message or the meaning in their pictures. It means the higher the resolution, the better. Nga mas clear ang aton communication sa aton nga audience or sa aton mga viewers. Alright? So let's proceed. Okay. So once again, we have 3 subjects. Okay, common subject in photography. Number one, let's go back. Number one, we have self-expression. Number two, documentary or documentation. Number three, we have communication. Okay? So again, ang tatlo niya, ano ni tawag naton? Subject, common subject of photography. Okay, kung ano blang pirmi nga ginapicturean. Kag nga nagapicture sila. Okay, three. Now, let's proceed. Okay, the next one, we have what we call different kinds of photography. No? So, anong mga different kinds of photography or diini siya ginagamit? Number one, or letter A, we have advertising photography. It means professional photographers knows what they're required to make a product sell. Simple lang, saan o ginagamit ang advertising photography? Kung may ginabaligya, sell. Okay? Dire nakita naton food, nga food. Kay ang picture nga ari dire is drinks and mga fruits. It means ang gina-advertise ya is food. Pero hindi lang ni food ang advertising photography. Ano pa? Makita naton may mga billboard kita sa atong lugar. Kita naton sa billboard may mga balay. It means anong iya gina-advertise? Balay. Kung makita kita sa lakyan, sa mga posts sa Facebook, it means ano iya gina-advertise? Of course, ang salakyan or ang salakyan nga iya ginabaligya. Kay kalaway man nga ga-post ka for sale, din ang gin-post mo balay. Pero ang imo gali ginabaligya ahos kag Bombay. So it is realistic? No. It means ang advertising photography, whatever ang imo nga i-post, okay, nga gina-advertise, amo na imo nga ginabaligya. So kung may plano ka mo mag-business class, it is important that you have an advertising photography nga kay amo ni ang mag-akit para mabaligya mo ang imo nga product. Okay? Sige. Number 2, we have second type of photography, fashion photography. Simple lang ang fashion photography. We have to take photograph of model aimed at showcasing clothes and other type of accessories. Simple lang, ano ang mga trend subong nga bayo, may ma-model da, yun picturean sa. So, ang example, may skirt, may mga, I forgot kung ano ni tawag, ang coat, na t-shirt, so, accessories, pwede na kalo, relo, kung anong mga sikat kag mga trend subong, picturean na kag i-share nila. Tawag na fashion photography. Hapos lang ni sa intindiyon, fashion, it means pamisti, OOTD, outfit of the day. Ano ang trend subong nga bayo? Short, long sleeve, sleeveless, maong, na anong mga trend? Anong mga trend? Flowers or floral or bugnaw, oversize. So amo na fashion photography. Letter C, third one. We have travel photography and maybe amo ni ang gusto sang tanan, no? So hindi man tanan pero halos tanan sa aton. Gusto ni naton ang travel photography. Why? Because it brings back a collection of images showing places, people, and culture he or she could not hope to see otherwise. Ang travel photography, ginagamit ni sa kung magkadto ka sa isa ka lugar, kag may nakita kada nga nami nga view, picturean mo. Ang pamangkot, nga agi na picturean mo. Simple lang ang sabat nga agi na picturean or simple lang ang reason. Kay base, okay, he or she could not hope to see otherwise. Kay base, hindi yan na mabalikan. Okay? That's why kung kita magkagto kita sa mga places like sa Luzon, Mindanao, or sa iban nga country, ginasigurado ginaton nga maka-selfie gid kita, maka-picture gid kita. Nga kay hindi kita sure kung kabalik pa kita sinang lugar. So in short, mayara kita sang remembrance. Sir, okay lang na nga picture-picture ka? Yes, okay gina sa kay tawag na travel photography. I believe damo na kamo nakagtuan, no? Kaya ang inyo generation subong palalagaw, kung may kwarta lang galagaw. So it means damo na kamo nakagtuan, damo naman kamo picture. So ugaliin nyo, no, nga kung magkagto kamo sa mga lugar nga kisal nyo lang makagtuan, picture gid kamo. It will serve as your remembrance. Travel photography. For example, kadto kamo sa France. So ano tong mapicturean nyo? Ang Eiffel Tower, di ba? kadto ka mo sa Japan, ano to mapicturean nyo ang colorful na nila nga ano na tawag nga tree, no, arang ga pink na pwede nyo na picturean. Ano pa, kadto ka mo sa lugar nga mga ga snow, picturean nyo ang snow, di ba? Kay iba si hindi nyo na mabalikan. Okay? And letter D, we have photojournalism. Ano naman ni siya ang photojournalism? Photojournalism, a photograph show us the present moment, but the present is always slipping into the past. And what exists today may well not exist tomorrow. It means, ang photojournalism, usually, ginagamit nila sa mga news. No? Kung anong current event sa ina nga adlaw ginapicturean kay amo na sang in news kay basi pagkabuas hindi na siya matabo. For example, may sunog, nakita naton ga picture ang iban doon gina-post sila sa Facebook nga kay way kakabalo basi pagkabuas hindi na masunog, no, hopefully wala sang sunog. O for example, agkadto ka sa nagano ka mo nag example niya photojournalism, ginsabat ka ni boyfriend mo, dayon ano ka dayon selfie ka mo, dayon ano ka mo mga picture ma-post ka mo, dayon nga kaysa ina nga day special day na gusto mo i-express or ibalita sa imong nga family nga ginsabat mo na o may nag-propose sa imo, gin-propose ka na, dayon may sing-sing na dayon ma-post ka may sing-sing na da, no, it means nag-propose sa sakon nga gina-post gid kay pagkabuas hindi na matabo nga kay once in a lifetime lang na. So that is photojournalism. Though naga-report ka, gina-report mong event, gina-share mo ang event. So usually sa mga news na ni makita, no, sa mga headlines, sa mga magazine, so we have also sa mga newspaper, okay, naga-picture sila, diyan gina-print nila. So that is what we call photojournalism. Gina-news nila pamaagi sa picture, sa photography. Alright? So let's have a review once again. So we have 4 types of photography. Number 1, advertising photography. Number 2, we have fashion photography. Number 3, we have travel photography. And number 4, photojournalism. 4 ni sa nga types ng photography. Okay? Do you have any question? So if may question ka, send lang sa akon through PM kay sabto naton ang inyong pamangkot. Okay, let's continue. Noteworthy photographers. Mga sikat nga mga photographer diri sa Philippines. I have here only 3. Actually, damo sikat nga photographer sa Philippines, pero sa aton nga book or sa aton nga module, 3 lang ang ginhatag. Okay. So number 1, we have George Tapan. It is P, not B. George Tapan. T-A-P-A-N. George Tapan. He is an award-winning travel photographer. Travel photographer niya si George Tapan. Okay. Who won Pacific Asia Tourism Association or PATA. Okay, please take down notes ang PATA kay basi magwa sa aton exam. Gold Award and Asian Tourism Association Award. And first place in 2011, National Geographic Photo Contest. So sikat ni sa nga contest ang Geographic Photo Contest. He highly acclaimed work has been published in 5 travel photography work. So travel photographer si George Tapan. Kag ang 2011 yang National Geographic Photo Contest, ari ang iya nga piece, which is siya ang nagdaog first place. Ari. Nan. So ari ang symbol sa National Geographic Photographer or contest. Sa muning symbol, amuni ang iya nga piece. Okay, so aring source naton nga ginkwaan. Okay. Sir ma'am, baka sir do kalaw ay man sa iyang picture sir sa ini nga time class nami na nisa nga kay hindi pa high end ang mga camera naton, mga digital camera. Pero sa ini nga time 2011 kung may ari nga camera Nikon, so nami na ni siya ang quality. Actually dire ga pixelated lang sa class, naglaway sang resolution kay of course picture na ni sa nga gin-download. Pero kung gusto mo i-search mo sa YouTube or sa Google dara naton makita ang high quality nga picture ni George Tapan nga nagdaog siya. Okay? So ara ang example. Another one we have here na ari pagid. Travel photographer sa kung din sa magkadto ginapicturean niya. Okay? Next one we have Next one are nan. So coconut tree, may Carabao, may tawo. So travel kung din siya makadto, napicturean niya ang mga moment nga namin. Once again, this is George Tapan. Second photographer, we have John K. Chua. Okay, is best known as an advertising and commercial photographer. Within over 40 years of his life, he experienced photography in the field of numerous local and international award of his work. At the same time, he was applied his photo artistry to showcase the beauty of the Philippines. John K. Chua is one of the advertising photographer. It means nagakadto siya sa iban nga mga lugar and ginatraya advertise ang beauty sang Philippines. That's why makita naton ang iya di karon mga picture more on commercial na mga pasayod kag ang beauty nga gusto ya i-promote, i-advertise. And are ang example sang iyang piece. So we have here, ano iya gina-advertise? Kay advertising photographer siya. Of course, ang salakyan. Alangan naman ang sun ang gina-advertise ya, no? Alangan naman ang puno. Siyempre, ang salakyan ang iya gina-advertise. Second, ano pa gid? Are, ano iya gina-advertise? Okay, sorry. Okay, ano iya gina-advertise? Ang shark? Ang baybay? Ang tao? Of course, ang iya gina-advertise ang Mountain Dew. No, sikat ni sa nga pasayod sa una, si John K. Chua na ang nagpicture. Okay, next one, we have, try ta kumyari pa di. Okay, wala na. Okay, third one, we have, Third one, we have Manny Librudo. Okay, ang una naton, review naton danay, we have George Tapan. Kadua, John K. Chua, and ikatatlo, Manny Librudo. Basta may mamangkot sa inyo, ano ni sa ni Ma'am Librudo? Okay, wala, hindi ni sa parintahanay. Pareho lang sila pilido. Manny Librudo. Manny Librudo was a full-time teacher at International School in Bangkok. His photograph is about glamour, fashion, and travel portraitor. It means si Manny Librudo, fashion photographer. Okay? Si John K. Chua, advertising photographer. Si George Tapan, advertising photographer. Si John K. Chua, travel photographer. Si Manny Librudo naman, fashion photographer. Okay? His photograph was regularly top online and competition. So, aring mga examples ng iyang mga picture, ng mga glamour and fashion and portrait of a person. Aring example. Si Katrina, for example. Another one, story of her life. Okay, third example, we have It means ang mga picture nila ni Manny Librudo more on people, culture, and ang ilang pamayo na in different culture. Fashion photographer si Manny Librudo. Okay? So that is our lesson number 1 about photography. So today, I want you to exercise or I want you to make an output or activity based sa aton nga lesson about photography. Gusto ko ma-experience ninyo ang ginatawag nga photography. So anong obrahon? Here, the list. Okay, photograph scavenger hunt. Okay, amo na nga aton nga activity. Ano nga aton nga activity nga obrahon? I have here list. Okay. Food, writing, flower, leaves, people, and pattern. 5 ni siya kabilog, class. Okay? Picture ka mo, biskan diin lang, dara sa inyo nga lugar subong, kung diin man kamo subong. Isa ka picture sang food, isa man ka picture sang writing. It means mga baka writing, lettering man na, or tao nga nagasulat, basta more on writing. But I encourage nga more on lettering, na mga nami nga lettering writing, flower or leaves, isa man ka picture sa people or a person lang, tao or bata pag gusto ka da, and pattern, isa man ka picture. Ang pattern more on isa sa, for example, sa plaza, makita nyo da ang pattern may black and white. Namo na sang example sang pattern. Another example, kung may gasaka panaog, na basta do may pattern ka nga makita, so picturean mo siya. It means isa sa food, isa sa writing, isa sa flower, isa sa people, isa sa pattern. Now, mayara ka na 5 ka picture. Anon mo ni? I-collage nimo. Okay? After mo collage, no, di ba collage mo na so maisa na sa ka picture, edit mo, butang mo ang pangalan mo sa dalom. Okay? Dayon kada picture butangan mo, for example, kung food na sa butangan mo sa dalom food. Kung writing na sa butangan mo writing. Yun sa pinakadalom, ngalan nimo para hapos sakon mag-check. Okay? Kay sino i-send? I-send kay secretary ninyo. Okay? Kay secretary ninyo i-send, kay si secretary na ma-send sa akon para isa lang kapag check. Sir, sano ang deadline? Sige, deadline nato next week. Okay? Next week, Wednesday. Okay? Next week, Wednesday. Naintindihan? Kay para tapos ang exam ninyo, pwede ka mo din ka picture-picture. Next week, Wednesday. Okay, do you have any question? So kung wala na question, and if may question ka, PM lang sa akon kay Sabton tang pamangkot. Kung wala na question, so that is the end of our discussion of our lesson 1. So thank you, grade 10.